Okay, this is Lucky. Again, this is the same cat that I've had now since September of 2020. She was actually abandoned at a gas station, basically, more or less. And just a coincidence, I happened to be pulling in the gas station to get a fountain drink whenever she had just run under somebody else's car. And so that's kind of how that turned out. Pandemic era anyway, and so there's just a lot of things had to happen in order for her to find me anyway. And she's still very skittish. She's not like Rachel at all. She's very affectionate and loving, but you know, she does not like other people, or not that she doesn't like other people, but she definitely is timid around other people and will often go upstairs and just kind of stay away. Only the people that come in frequently, you know, and talk to me fairly frequently does she actually get comfortable with. So she's probably been mistreated at some point. She demands wet cat food, which I feed to her on a paper plate nowadays, and she insists on covering the food mostly with my socks, which I've given up trying to deter her from doing that. I sometimes will put down like a paper towel for her, but she will literally work herself to death covering up this food. It's just crazy. But she's always done that, and she is always up to something crazy, some sort of shenanigan. She is very playful, you know, obviously, so she bombards me every night in bed, wants petted and wants attention, and then she will go off and sleep to herself. But just some of the shenanigans that she gets involved with is just absolutely crazy. She's definitely a lot more curious than Rachel was. She's not afraid to go up high, get into anything, open anything up. She has a fascination with opening things and opening boxes and getting in cabinets and things of that nature. But I just wanted to kind of share an update of some of her shenanigans anyway. Good. What you doing? Kitty, what are you doing? What are you doing?